One important thing, after fitting the SPDIF coaxial digital cable to an amplifier, we can select digital PCM and digital pass-through. Pass-through transmits the original encoded bit stream over HDMI connections and coaxial digital cable. Pass-through is supported for Dolby Digital, AC3, Dolby Digital Plus, EAC3, and Dolby Atmos, EAC3JOC, bit streams. Pass-through is probably best, so the TV doesn't alter the audio signal before it goes to the amplifier. PCM sounds much better, with more powerful bass and treble, and we can control the volume and equalizer from the TV audio system. In digital pass-through, TV remote volume will not work, and only amplifier volume will work.
You see, digital to analog audio converter. This is input coaxial cable, SPDIF. SPDIF means this, Sony Philips Digital Interface Format. This, it is discovered, invented by Sony Philips Digital together. It is invented by Sony Philips together. That's why it is called Sony Philips Digital Interface Format. Okay. Actually, it carries a light here. Here there is a plastic now. These are covering it. Look, this is small plastic, so it fits here. It passes through a light, very old, now almost not available in TV or most of the modern sound system. This is the coaxial cable. You see here it is written coaxial cable. So this is coaxial and this is normal RCA cable. There is vast difference. If you put this normal RCA cable, you will not get the same sound. It is only for this RCA it will fit. And this is coaxial. Look at the size, vast different. It is very thick. This one, it is very thin. I will give a link in the description below if you want to buy. It's up to you. I'm showing it as a customer, so it is very good, you can see. And this is output, so I'll fit it on input. It will fit on input. This, and this is a power cable. It will fit here, and this from a pen drive USB. I'll show you how to fit. And these are the output. This is white, you can see. This is red, so it looks like this. Okay, so this here I'll fit it for power. It is fitted. You can see it.
দেখা পাইছে দে।
Now the coaxial cable. This is the coaxial here. Recording code. This you see, this is the coaxial cable. Here I will fit. See, it is fitted. So this is the output. You can see CD auxiliary. I'll fit it in CD. Green is video, we don't need video. So look, okay. From settings, we go additional settings, device preference. We go to this sound, speakers. It is S. one. Wait, this is, you see, yeah, digital pass through. Now here you can hear this sound. Khar sound you can hear. Actually, this coaxial cable, no, this coaxial cable, it carries some sound, carries. That's why this, come here. That's why HDMI. Now HDMI is ARC HDMI is used. It does not carry any sound. But this coaxial, it cannot carry Dolby sound. But if you have an old TV, you can use it. I'll play it. Now I'll play it. So, look. So here. You see, I'll put this out. I'm putting this out. This, you see, it is a jack pin. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, there it is, jack pin. Come here. Here, you see, there's a jack pin out here. You can see. I'll put it. Let's see it will work. I'll play it again. Working. This coaxial cable, no, it can carry 5.1 sound or even 7.1 also. So it cannot carry 5. Only stereo sound, but it can carry digital 5.1. Okay. This RCA cable, it can carry only stereo sound, left, right, only stereo. But this, it can carry digital 5.1, digital sound, 5.1 channel. Like now, you have more than 2 speaker, like 3 speaker, 4, 5 speaker. This digital, it can carry. So there is a difference. The cable also difference. You can see how thick it is and how. Look at the difference.
This is SPDIF, developed during the 1980s, which was a joint venture between Sony and Philips to standardize the transmission of digital audio between consumer hi-fi components. SPDIF stands for Sony Philips Digital Interface. It is a type of digital audio interface used in consumer audio equipment to output audio over relatively short distances. The signal is transmitted over either a coaxial cable using RCA or BNC connectors or a fiber optic cable using Toslink connectors. SPDIF interconnects components in home theaters and other digital high-fidelity systems. SPDIF is based on the AES-3 interconnect standard. It can carry 2 channels of uncompressed PCM audio or compressed 5.1 surround sound, but it cannot support lossless surround formats that require greater bandwidth.